We'll start with a slip knot on our hook. Then we'll make a chain of 7. Now we'll turn our work and work under the back bump, single crochet in each chain across. Now turn your work, chain 1, and single crochet in the first stitch under both loops. Now we'll work in the back loop, single crocheting across under just the back loop until you have 1 stitch left. Single crochet under both loops on the last stitch. Turn and chain 1 and repeat. Single crochet, back loop, single crochet across till there's 1 stitch left, and single crochet normally in that last stitch. Just keep repeating this 1 row for the length of your ribbing. Once your ribbing is to the length you need for the hat size you're crocheting, match the short ends of your ribbing together. Slip stitch those ends together by slip stitching through both layers, being sure to match up stitch for stitch. Once you've slip stitched your short ends together, you have created a brim of stretchy ribbing. Now I'll show you how to work into that brim. You can continue crocheting your hat from where you are, or cut your yarn and join a new color to crochet the hat body. I'm going to join here with a slip stitch. For this tutorial, I'm going to work single crochets into the edge of our ribbing here around to make the hat. If you joined a new color like I did, you can work over your tail so you don't have to weave it in. To work into these edges, you're just going to insert your hook between 2 loops and make a single crochet. I try to catch 2 loops so that my stitches aren't too stretchy. The reason our stretchy ribbing is stretchy is because we crocheted under only the back loop. So when I work in the side edges, I try to make a point to get at least 2 strands of yarn there to work into. Some of them can be pretty tight and you have to work at it. Some of them are really easy. You can see here really it's the last stitch that we're catching on the edge here and working into to start making our hat around and go up. We have to work into this last stitch. I hope it was helpful to see how to crochet into the edge of the stretchy ribbing to make a hat. I'll link up some crochet patterns in the description that use this type of ribbing and technique.